Hello everyone. I am going to speak about my topic that is applying machine learning and deep learning techniques to improve network intrusion detection system. Network intrusion detection system is simply a system which is used for detection of any activity, whether it is harmless or malicious, that happens in our network system. Network intrusion detection system is further classified into signature based and anomaly based approach. In signature based, the malicious attacks are pre-recorded in a database which it uses. So whenever any activity which happens in our system matches with the signature of the activity in that pre-recorded database, it gives us an alert in the form of an alarm. And in anomaly based is the process which works dynamically. It keeps a record or track of all the regular activities that happen in our system, and once it detects any activity which does not seem to be normal, it gives us an alert. Both signature intrusion detection system and anomaly intrusion detection system have drawbacks in this case. Even if any activities that is malicious but it is not mentioned in the pre-recorded database, the signature intrusion detection system will not give us an alert for this, and our system can get exploited. Also, in anomaly intrusion detection system, even if any new activity takes place, then it will give an alert thinking that it may be something malicious, even if it is not. We can see in the system implementation, we can see the network intrusion detection system in the following slide, as it is located between the switch and the local network to detect any malicious activity. So whenever any malicious activity passes through the network in the form of packet, the switch will also send a copy to the network intrusion detection system, and so it will detect it. The only drawback in this as well is that the packet will be passed through the local area before it get an alert. To improve these drawbacks, the machine learning and deep learning techniques are implemented by lot of researchers. In our research, we will using the machine learning algorithm, which are k nearest algorithm, decision tree, artificial neural network, and deep belief network, deep neural network, convolutional neural network, autoencoder, in the deep learning techniques as mentioned here. In data processing, in this implementation, initially the entire data, that is CSE CIC IDS 2018, will be first be proceed, that is parameterized, which are very much useful, will be used. Data processing includes all the processes, including data cleaning, data mining, finding all the insights from the data, removing the missing and null values, and at the end, getting a normalized data. Further, since the huge volume and a dataset is needed for the machine learning and deep learning to train every tool for making it effective in segmentation and monitoring. 80% of the database will be used for training purpose, and 20% of the database will be used for testing purpose of the algorithm. uh, Results. This proposed method will be tested in both harmless and malicious package to see how correct it is. This method is supposed to provide reliable categorized result on a regular basis. In this proposed segment, this analytical approach will be checked and correlated to the other methods mentioned. This would give us a high level of faith in the suggested techniques accuracy and the inconsistencies between the findings. Thank you.